chill out for a few days. This is Lake Corpus Christi State Park in Texas.
It looks bad out, but it's like 72 degrees. It was a little drizzly earlier, but it is nice. I think we're gonna hang out here for at least 2-3.
Yeah, it's only $10 a night for the water only site, so.
It's a huge campground. There's a big section here on the water, and then probably close to a mile away on the other side, there's a huge section on the water. And those sites, they're like 2 loops, and they're water only. They're all 10 bucks a night, and that loop over there is completely empty. Here there's a camp post, and I think one guy, I can't see, but over there fishing. Other than that, the park's pretty much empty. There's some plug-in sites that cost a little more money to have some bigger RVs in it, but it's pretty cool.
It's pretty cool. There's a nature trail over here we're gonna go check out and see if we can't see some javelina, because he went for a run and he saw about 10 javelina and about 8 deer. There's a ton of deer here, so we're just gonna go scope it out.
If it was nicer, they have paddle boards and kayaks to rent.
Maybe it'll get nicer, I don't know. I think the rains are supposed to come tomorrow, so we'll see. We're just gonna check out this trail, see if we can find a piggy.
Piggy. We got a piggy right here.
We do have a piggy right here. We still need to decide where we're going to be for Christmas. It's quickly approaching, and the new year. And
should we actually make reservations for a Christmas place?
probably, because I feel like last year we were floundering a little bit, finding a spot.
Yeah, we actually wound up in Key West.
Yeah.
Didn't we get a hotel room?
We did, and I didn't feel good. I wasn't feeling good a couple days. And
I just wanted back in the van. I remember that.
yeah.
Silly.
I think I just slept for 2 days.
One thing to consider if you're going to come spend any time in the Texas state parks, they all vary in price, but they all have a day use fee that you have to pay as well as the camping fee. So here it's 10 bucks a night for where we're camping, but it's $5 a person per day. So 2 days, that's 20 bucks. But if you buy the Texas annual parks pass for 70 bucks, that waives all the day use fees for the whole year, and you get some coupons for if you spend more than one night, you get another night half off. So
yeah,
we went ahead and got that, so you don't have to stay in too many state parks in Texas for that to pay for itself.
yeah, I think so.
Well, what's cool is if you come through, just if you want to dump tanks and get water or use a shower, you don't have to get a camping. You don't have to camp. You can just pull in here and use the day use facilities and move on.
Yeah, it's we got it one other year too. It's been worth it for us to get.
Yeah, 2 years ago we got it. Last year we didn't, but we just kind of flew through. We did more harvest hosts last year.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, I felt a sprinkle. All right, let's get this walk on. Wow, it's a little wet, y'all.
Oh, there's a river running down the road.
Holy cow. We came into the town of Malthus. It's only 5 miles away from the campground. Wow.
Look at that.
I see it. It's crazy. We're doing we figured today's a good day to do laundry and get some groceries. So we're headed to the grocery store, just got laundry done. I think it got just as wet coming out of the laundromat than it was in the washing machine. I don't know why we did it. But as you notice, well, Dave always wears shorts, but I'm in a tank top and shorts because it is incredibly humid here. Like, humidity's at 100%.
And it's 70 degrees.
It's warm. Yeah, 70 degrees and okay, take a right here. I'm still navigating. Wow, it's a good thing we turned because that is like a lake. Oh my gosh.
He's not a happy camper.
Back to camp. We switched spots. We're actually right on the lake now. I see the lake out here, but we're trying to get all settled in, but we don't want to get settled in and have to have her go potty, so we're taking her now.
Come on.
By we, I mean Dave. Oh, that's no fun. What a difference a day makes, I'm telling you. It is still really cold outside, though.
This is a wind chill off the lake.
Oh my gosh, it's the lake effect.
The lake effect.
We just filled water because there was water here at the campsite. But now we're gonna go dump tanks and head out of here. There is a free, I think it's like a little city park you could stay 5 nights in. It's about 2 hours away on the Gulf, so we're gonna head in that direction. It's east.
We're gonna be in the Gulf of Mexico today.
We are.
Isn't that weird?
It is weird. I hope it warms up because it is quite chilly.
A lot of cold places around the country lately.
Yeah. Yes, everywhere is cold.
I'm good.
We're still searching for that warm weather. We may be ending up in Florida after all. It does look like we're heading in that direction. Oh, pistol girl, this is way too cold for you. Yeah, gotta get your sweater on. All right, let's roll. Okay, let's see here. No vehicles on the grass. Olivia Haterius Park.
5 days limit. Camping.
Oh, no extended camping, 5-day limit. Would you look at that? Look at this.
This one's got a yard. You have grass.
Oh, well.
Look at this yard.
It's flooded, but...
Muddy mess right now.
Wow. Free 5-day camping, y'all. So this is in Keller Bay. This is on the Gulf. Just, let's see, south of Point Comfort, Texas. Actually, east of Point Comfort, Texas. And this is on the iOverlander app. So cool. Welcome to the Gulf, baby.
Pink, isn't it?
I know, it's very pink. So cool.
There it goes.
Whoop. Goodbye, son.
See you tomorrow.
I hope. It is very cold out here. There's a wind. Yeah.
There's a wind. There's a wind.
It's cold. That's all I can say.
So we're camped at a city park. It says you can camp for free up to 5 days. It's a boat ramp. This, I guess, bay goes out into the Gulf of Mexico, and there's some, apparently some fishermen still out tonight.
Yeah.
And we're gonna live right here.
Yep.
And look at that.
It's just gorgeous. Pistol, you cold? She is cold. She says this is not right. We're in our winter coats. We're still warmer than the rest of the country, I think, almost, so I can't complain. And we beat the rain. Wait up. I'm coming.
I just see trees now. I go, ooh, I could make a ladle out of that.
Like there's a spoon in
There's
there.
a spoon right inside there. Just
Yeah, so what's the Olivia Haterius? Haterius? I don't know how to pronounce that. Calhoun County, Texas.
I love that. No extended camping, 5-day limit.
Perfect for us vagabonds.
By order of Commissioner's Court.
Wow. It's an order. Wow, that is just gorgeous. Okay. Whew. What is this? Pickled quail eggs. Pickled quail eggs, Pistol. Okay, so I got these at a gas station in Texas. These are made in Texas.
We're buying food in gas stations now.
Here's the ingredients. Quail eggs, water, vinegar, salt, jalapenos. Wow, somebody really wants one here.
You don't get quail eggs.
Okay.
I've never had quail eggs.
I'm gonna give these a go. I'm already getting a little, because I know the vinegar is gonna be crazy. Ay, ay, ay.
Help yourself.
Don't you want one? I'm scared. Okay, here we go. Not a fan. I've had pickled eggs before. They were not like this. I actually really love pickled eggs. Not these. Texture's all wrong. Can't say I recommend these at all. Took one for the team there, you guys. Now none of you have to ever buy these pickled eggs from a convenience store again.
I'll pass.
You don't want to drink the
No.
like pickle juice?
No.
No?
No, we're good.
Dang it! I wanted to like these so bad. They're just not good. They're just not good. Good morning. What?
It's a bird.
Yeah. It's brisk out this morning.
I like it though for some reason.
Well, we're going to Galveston today.
Galveston.
And they have a lot of holiday stuff happening. So I actually don't mind the cooler temperatures because it makes me feel like it's Christmas time.
Santa's coming.
Yeah, I know him.
I know him.
Yeah, so I'm excited to do holiday stuff. We're going to see if we can't snag a spot for a couple nights at the Galveston Island State Park?
I think so.
State Park there near Galveston. Anyhow, we still have that Texas State Parks Pass, so we're going to use a coupon if we can and do a buy one night, get one half off. So we can spend 2 nights there and then hunt down some warmer weather.
Yeah, it's just cold everywhere for a while.
It is, it's weird.
I think if I had a Florida fishing, Texas, if I had a Texas fishing license, I might stay here a couple days.
Yeah, a lot of good fishing, but listen, you can fish in the state park off the land without a permit. So
All state parks?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure I read that. And I'm pretty sure, because I looked at online at the Galveston Island State Park, and I think it said you can fish off the, if you're on the land.
We'll check it out.
Yeah.
It's a good spot.
This is a good spot. I would stay here again for, oh, I locked us out.
There's no one here. We're
the
standing
key.
outside by the van.
I don't know, you said grab the key, so then I
Well,
grabbed
because
it.
Pistol will drive away.
Oh, that's true. Okay. Galveston bound. Pistol, are you driving today? Yeah, I'll go sit in the back then. Site number 24. We are right on the beach. Actually, just over this kind of dune area is the beach, so we are gonna head down there. Pistol Girl is ready for a beach romp. It's a little breezy, but it's not really very cold, actually.
pistol. No, 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 no.
Oh. We got Pistol back. She got a bath and a little nap. But now Dave and I are headed back to the beach.
Sun's gonna go down in about an hour or so. I thought I'd try my hand at this Texas Gulf fishing.
Yeah, now in the Texas state parks, I think we mentioned before, you can fish for free without a fishing license. So.
As long as you're fishing from, not on a boat.
Yeah.
The bank or waiting.
Something got you.
The bank or waiting is fine, but
yeah.
I talked to the guy who said the fishing's been really, really slow, but there's a lot of things you can catch off through the red drum, black drum, flounder. I don't know, there's a lot of fish you can catch here, but sounds pretty slow. Most people do best with live bait, which I don't have, so.
Typical Carrie fashion. We're just winging it.
You know.
Well,
let's stay here for a few days and maybe I can get some better bait or tackle and.
Yeah, and I think tomorrow we're gonna be going into town and doing a bunch of Christmas stuff, which I'm super pumped about.
And that wind is bad. Hopefully it's
really
not
bad.
Really.
Sorry about that. Yeah, so we're gonna leave you off here. You guys better subscribe and hit that notification button so you'll be the first to know if he catches a fish or not.
Here you go. Carry on.
Carry on. What do you get?